And I'm just like so sick and tired of feeling like anxiety rules everything around me. This vision board is kind of just more than a regular vision board for me. You know, it sounds really fun, but I've never done before? Making a vision board. But I think I need some stuff first. Step 1, gather the stuff. Gather the dog. Next, I need some magazines. I don't know anybody who reads physical copies of magazines anymore, but I do know that libraries carry old copies of magazines. So, to the library. The magazines are secure. We got some things. Now we need a couple more. Next, we're gonna head to Target and we're gonna get a couple supplies. Some poster board, glue, scissors, and that's it. To Target. Why is there 10? Oh. Okay, I didn't totally let Target tell me what to do. I only bought one snack. Just one. But they did not have a single just poster board. I couldn't justify buying 10. So we're gonna try another store and that's gonna be the last thing on the list. So now we're at Joann's and hopefully they have poster board.
Can you help looking for something?
Yeah, could you help me find some poster board?
Poster board is gonna be all the way on the back wall.
Awesome, thank you. Ah, we found it. Oh, they got like fancy ones. What is this? Okay, this is cute. Oh, nope. I think this one's the winner. This is cool. Yep, this one's it. We made it home with the goods. Hi, Mochi. Wait. I release you. Poster board. Snacks. Scissors. Glue. Magazines. Trader Joe's burritos for dinner. And freeze-dried chicken for pets. This is for Mochi. Mochi. Ready? Set. Go get it. Now, plot twist. I actually collected more magazines at another time. So, I think we'll have a little fun. What exactly is a vision board? Vision board is like a visual representation of your dreams and goals. Now, I'm going the old school physical copy route. There's no like right way to do a vision board. You can make a digital version, a list, a Pinterest board. What you put inside a vision board is totally up to you. Pictures of traveling, positive affirmations that you have for yourself. So the next question is, why in the world am I making a vision board? And why have I not made one sooner? I'm in a really, really weird place in my life. Context, I'm 30. I turned 30 in June, so it was about 6 months ago, right? And when I was a kid, I thought that when I was in my 30s, I was going to have these couple things. 1, I was gonna be married already. 2, I'd probably pop out a baby or 2. 3, I was gonna own a home. 4, that was pretty much it and lived happily ever after. Here we are. That was expectation. In reality, I am not married. I don't have babies. I have a dog. I got a fur baby. His name is Mochi. I definitely do not own a home. I should celebrate this era of my life and travel. And it's cool to rent because I don't really know where I want to settle down and plant some roots. We'll figure it out when the time comes. It's okay. What do I want to do this year? I 100% want to live a life that serves God and just change up my entire lifestyle so everything is devoted to my faith. 2, I want to keep being successful in my career and being a strong leader in my industry. 3, I want to travel. Where? I don't know. 4, I want to be healthier, like physically, spiritually, all the things. I am probably the weakest that I ever have been. My exercise of the day is probably walking my dog at least like 3 to 5 miles a day. That's something, right? It's something. But no, we're gonna head back to the gym. We're gonna grow. we're gonna grow muscles, right, Mochi? Yeah, I know. It's time. I have all of my supplies, and let's get started. All right, we got our first one down. I'm pretty sure this is Antelope Canyon, which is definitely on my bucket list. At the start of this year, I just knew that rocks were calling me. I don't know another way to really explain it. I'm gonna let you all in on a little secret. I am scared. A lot of the time, most of the time, all the time. And by scared, I mean I don't like doing things alone. I don't know if it's because I'm a woman. Things in my upbringing have caused me to just be so afraid of the world, but I do everything scared. I'm constantly feeling like I don't deserve good things that happen to me. Other people deserve those things. What I'm learning in this decade of my life is these feelings of fear and anxiety and just genuine discomfort are not me. I think they're just like a culmination of external influences, and I'm just like so sick and tired of feeling like anxiety rules everything around me. So this vision board is kind of just more than a regular vision board for me. I think this vision board is a symbol, this version of me that is evolving consciously. It's the weirdest time in my life because I feel like this is the first time I'm giving myself permission to thrive. Honestly, I'm kind of having a lot of fun over here. I don't totally know what I'm looking for. I know that when I see it, it's going in. Actually, oh man. Pottery classes. Actually an art studio right down the street from where I live, and I contacted them about taking pottery classes, but they're all booked up for the next month, so I am definitely gonna put ceramics into my vision board. Welcome to the next morning. Here's where we are right now. I have gone through this entire stack of magazines. I have ripped out every single thing that kind of reminded me of things that really resonated with me. The next step is to glue everything down together. Okay, all right. Oh crap. Ta-da! It's done! There are definitely patterns of things I ended up cutting out. There's a lot of needing to be peaceful. I think some of these things have to do with where I am internally. I have never been on a solo trip before. You know, getting outside of my comfort zone and just booking trips. Things like stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking. I want to make friends to go hiking and camping. Ooh, and I want to go horseback riding. I have always wanted to take a pottery class. Kind of just getting back to who I am and figuring out what the next evolution of myself is. Thank you all for coming on my adventure of creating a vision board with me. When you know better, you glow better. Bye y'all!